Okay, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at part 4 of the Inventor practice parts. Again, you need 8 out of 12. This is going to be part 4 within that 8 out of 12. Again, you can pick and choose, but this is a fourth example that you could use if you wish. So what we're going to do, again, open up Inventor. I already have that open. I'm going to click on New and the standard IPT, so we'll create that. Again, you always want to make sure your browser opens up. If not, just as a review, you can click on View, User Interface, and always make sure that browser is turned on so you can basically see the history of everything that you've done. All right, we're going to go back to 3D Model tab over here, and we're going to click on Create 2D Sketch. And with this particular one, typically I like the XY plane, this particular plane here. But with this one, I'm going to draw this one from the base here, so with the Z plane. So I'm going to click on that. Again, there's many options that you can draw it. I'm just going to draw it from this one. And I'm going to, again, select my rectangle tool to get started here. And I'm going to select my origin, my XY at 0, 0, right at that dot. And I'm going to look at this from the top view, if I'm drawing it from the top view of the object. So again, if I look at that, the overall length of my object is 1.75. It's 7 blocks. Again, each one's 1/4 of an inch. And I'll tab over. And the depth, I'm going to look at the depth here. All right, and my depth is 1.5. And I'll finish that sketch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this up now. So I'm going to click on Extrude. And I'm going to extrude this up at 0.5. All right, so that's what the base of this, it's 0.5, that initial platform of it. So it's a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to click OK. The next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to again create a 2D sketch, and I'm going to select the top surface. And I'm going to put those two small rectangles in the upper left and upper right hand corner. So again, upper left hand corner, I'm going to drag out a rectangle that is 0.5 or a 1/2 inch in the width, tab over, and it's 0.75 in the height. I'm going to do the same thing on the far right hand side. So again, we have 0.5, tab over, 0.75 for the height. I'm going to finish that sketch. And now simply all I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude that at a height of 1/2 inch. Click OK. And as easy as that is, part 4 is done. All we have to do is then color that. So if you have a specific color, you want to color it, you can go ahead and do that. And it's going to make mine olive green. And again, you want to go into your application icon, save as, and this would be saved as part 4 as an Inventor part in IPT. So we'll save that. And now you have part 4 completed. All right, if you have any questions, ask your instructor or ask a classmate. Thanks for watching.